These are my two GMT800s, and one of these bad boys has to go, but that is an easy decision, and let me show you why. What makes this an easy choice is this. Well, the Tahoe looks like this. Not just throwing away the poor old Escalade, we're actually going to be taking some parts off of it to help the Tahoe. Kind of like that scene from Transformers where that Decepticon rips himself apart for Optimus Prime.
Optimus, take my parts, and you will have a power you've never known.
It's a little like that. Because along with it having very nice wheels on it, this has the LQ9, and that is just a normal 5.3. So, with this build that I'm doing, it's going to be pretty simple. We're talking no modifications, if anything, rare and rarely anything. They both sit in the same platform, and we'll make that Tahoe look pretty cool. Today is we're going to do cosmetic swaps. I got new headlights, new taillights. We're going to remove some door moldings and get these wheels onto the Tahoe. This is going to be a pretty sick build because it's going to be budget, and I like budget. Best thing to do on a budget build is, well, work with what you got. And I got a nice Tahoe, so let's get to it. Yeah, we're doing strictly cosmetic. We're talking wheels, got new taillights for the rear. Put those on, new headlights for the front. Why am I having an accent? I got this little thing here too. I'm not a big fan of blacking out things. Do I have an accent? I'm like doing it unintentionally.
You just got back from Florida and you're still acclimating.
It's in the water, the really bad water. Oh, see, everybody from Florida's gonna hate this now. But since those wheels on the Escalade have black emblems, I decided to change the front emblem of this car, which is faded. It used to be gold, like Chevy gold bow tie. It's gonna make it match. So, what do you think we should do first, Andrew? The hard stuff, which is just time-intensive stuff, put the wheels on, or should we do something a little more easier?
Let's take a quick win.
Let's take a what?
Quick win.
Quick win. Quick win. Taillights. There we go. Let's start that off. So for our quick win, we're going to delete the ampers and ugly faded lights, and we're going to do some simple red and whites. And now this is real easy. You just take the bulbs out. I think this bulb is clear. It's just a thing, so it should be good. Just a bolt right in. 2 screws. And it's a done deal.
It's in Bobby's bag.
Bobby's bag is a whole bunch of stuff that he's not ready to clean out yet. This job's gonna take extensively longer because I can't clean. I can't organize. I think just cheap Chinese kind of stuff, headlights, taillights. Only the best.
He's best.
It's not good, but it's best.
It's awful.
Awful. But it's best. You're gonna help me, you viewer. You're gonna sit there like Dora the Explorer, and you're gonna tell me what you see. That's very simple.
Turn is left.
Brake.
Is the 3 with the blue.
And then reverse.
Is the green.
Okay. You remember that, right?
We remember.
Which one was the brake?
Oh, I forgot already.
Okay, so we fired the camera, man. We're gonna test this afterwards to make sure everything's correct.
Can I pull this?
You wanna pull it? Do you think you deserve to pull it after you can't? Yeah. Oh. That right there, satisfaction, my friends. Why is it so wobbly? Let's see if we got the lights right. And that right there is just light years better. The old crusty amber is now replaced with a nice, I guess you can call it 50-50 because there's only 2 colors. Let's keep the dubs rolling. Headlight's pretty simple. Plus, while we're at it, you can swap out the emblem. Make the front end look nice and pretty. You need tools for this. Look at that. This is caveman easiness. All right. Don't you love it when you don't need tools for anything? Nowadays, you need to remove the entire bumper assembly to remove some headlights. It's like 2 seconds. It's so easy a caveman can do. Wait, is that copywritten? Can we use it? No. That's also another commercial. I can't pay my tumbo. You can't say anything anymore. I'm just gonna do this in sign language. Andrew knows how to do ASL pretty well. I learned how to say Jesus in sign language. Pretty cool. Jesus. Piercing. Catholic.
This tree.
I hate the tree so much.
This tree.
I can't tell you how many times I parked it, got out, and then get stabbed by it. This is the other side. We're off to a roaring start, but we can't even put in headlights. Welcome to the world of automotive repair. Oh, this job will only take 20 minutes. It'll only take 3 days later. There we go, one side done. Not forget I put plastic in the engine bay. And Andrew keeps hitting his head on that stupid, I hate this tree. This is the tree that smelled like coolant I put in one of my shorts. And it made me like go crazy for an hour trying to find a coolant leak. The city owns it, but boy, if I ever did, it'd be George Washington, that tree. There's a page on Facebook called GMT800s with threatening auras. And like everyone just cosplays as a boomer on Facebook. So everything's in caps. They're all saying God bless. Anybody who types in lowercase, they say speak up liberal. By the way, I found a 10mm. My lucky day. If I can find the socket to adjust those headlights, we'll be in good business. Ta-da! Yeah, you probably have to take that out anyway. Sucks. Because you know, everything on the internet is correct. Oh no, we're golden. Look at that. Which one do you like?
Yeah, it's very different. This is dirty and old and broken. This is new. It needs this off.
Okay. You're having all the fun today taking these off, right? We did half and half. That was a team effort right there.
That was better.
High five. We're gonna need a new grill. Damn it, we're supposed to fix things, not break things. That's not that bad, I guess.
What did you just do?
Evened it out. I don't look half bad like that. I'm gonna find a thing to adjust that. Ow. I hate this tree. I think that's kind of where it's supposed to be. Yeah, I mean, it's a little wobbly still, but it's not as bad, you know. At least we're gonna have. Pretty good. Not gonna lie. It's dirty. It's filthy. It needs a clean. We're gonna get that done. New headlights. We got them adjusted. I found the tool. Blacked out emblem. What do we got next? What do we do next, Andrew? I think we got wheels and we got stupid flappy side moldings I gotta take off.
Tire last.
Tire last?
Tire last.
Why? It's because it's the most one at a time involved work.
Yes.
Shouldn't take long though, because it's an old, you know, old side molding of flat bowl. You do have climate control. We can do that. All right, now we're doing the climate control. If you have a GMT800 and things break, like my old one did, don't buy new Chinese ones like this because it screws with the networking. I'll just start the car, this thing will be off, and I hear the AC compressor run. And then it won't switch through the modes. So just go get yourself a used one from the junkyard, save yourself some headache. This is gonna take no time at all to replace, so let's do it. Like 2 8mm of tabs and they come out. Okay, that's not gonna work. All right, got it now. Nice and simple, right?
Oh no.
All right, that took way too long to find a bolt. I forgot GM uses 7mm for their interior, not 8. I feel like many other cars probably do that too. I'm just an idiot. Boom. All right, now that this is out, pinch our connector. All right. Flimsy this one feels, sturdy this one feels. It has numbers and production stuff. Test Deb. This is good. I mean, that's cycling. You're gonna do face. Nice. Now put AC on. Hear the AC compressor coming on. This cheap stuff don't work. Ready?
Yep.
So we got these bad boys off, and I'll be honest with you, it didn't do the best job. I just really wanted to get the adhesive off. You see, I think somebody over here, this is very tough. I think someone put some glue or something, because this was the one that was flapping in the wind. It needs to get detailed. There's a lot of hard marks here, and I think I burnt the paint using these eraser wheels, which do work great if you know what you're doing, but I don't. So, hey, from 50 feet, golden. Anyway, it needs to get detailed. But we're on to the final thing. What is that, Andrew?
Tire. Tire.
That's the most exciting part. Saving the best for last. All right.
Tire.
You want this?
Acquired. Inventoried.
Inventory. loudest part of the whole video. Dragging a jack right through concrete.
How do you feel about this makeover?
I think it's pretty good. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna have enough time to get it through a wash today. It's a Sunday and I think everything closes early, so. Okay, so it's been about like 2 weeks since we last recorded, and I needed to get this thing washed, and it was gonna rain every day, so finally got it done. And just look at it now. No, I'm not blind. The paint needs major corrections. The stubborn adhesive wouldn't get off in some areas. You can see the lines, and no doubt the hood needs to be recoated at least. Same with the hood. But this thing is cleaned up so nice, and it could benefit from a little bit of a drop. Who knows, maybe we'll throw that into the project mix. But as she sits now, she's a great daily driver, and she's just begging for that 6-liter to drop into her. And next episode, we're gonna be tearing it out of the Escalade. So thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoy this type of build. I'll see you in the next one.